What is happening, what is going on, you absolute bunch of legends. So this video I'm going to show you how to do a fake liquid kind of tutorial. You could do it into different kind of objects once you understand the basics, and it's a really simple thing to do, pretty cool to do. So I thought I would just share it with you guys, teach you guys how to do it. Let's jump into the video. So first thing you want to do is go Shift A, and you want to go to mesh, and you want to look for a cylinder. Then first thing you want to do is you want to hit tab, so go to edit mode, click on face select, click on that face, delete, and select delete faces. And then what you want to do is click here, and you want to select these, and then what you want to do is go to face, and you want to select grid fill. And then what you can do is you can click there, and you can go Shift A, and you get a plane. Go to X and G and bring it up. Your plane, so plane G, bring it up. Make it a little bit lower. Just scale it up a little bit, and then G, bring it to about there. Look for a modifier and add an ocean modifier, and then change this to 14. Change this also to 14. And then what you want to do is just zoom out and change the spatial size. Like that, and then just scale it in. So about there. Then what you want to do is click here on your timeline. Boom. Bring this up. And then click here. And then take this to 250. And change this to about 15. Then click there. So now you can see it animates the water. Then you want to select your cylinder, go to modifier, and look for a shrink wrap modifier. Boom. And then select your ocean as your target. And then if I go here, you'll see if I hit play, it moves with the water like we want. So just go back here, and then change your wrap method to project, and then change this to outside surface, and then turn on Z axis. Boom. And then change this negative, make it positive like that. And then what's cool is now you can see it moves with the object like we want, which is what we're looking for. A little bit of a few steps, but it's starting to look a lot better. And now this is where the magic will happen. So if you click on your plane, and I do that, you can see it now interacts like that, and that's what we want. Then what you want to do is with your selected, make sure that you just deselect the plane as well with the camera, add another modifier, and add a subdivision surface modifier, and then bring this to 2, even 3 is fine. Now it's starting to look like this. So if I hit play, it's starting to look a lot better. It's obviously not perfect yet. And then what you want to do is right click, shade smooth. And then what you could do is you go to edit mode, and you could add a loop cut. So you can click there, add a loop cut there. So you can add a loop cut, G, then choose select G and bring it all the way up to about there. And then add another one. So click here, boom, and then select mode, G, and bring it all the way down like that. And then if I hit tab, you can see obviously I didn't make it done straight all the way, but it kind of then just makes your object look a little bit better. You'd have to just go back down straight. So just make sure that you're going down straight on the axis. You can just hit the axis that you want when you hit G to grab, and then it will go down straight. I didn't do that, so I'm not going to redo it, but yeah. And then all we need to do is let's just go back here. You can just add another subdivision. So boom. And there, it'll just smooth that out. It obviously even go to 2, but even 1 is fine. It just smooths your object out a little bit better like that. And then what you could do is, let's just see the objects like that. You can see what you could do is then just go Shift A, mesh, and you could add another cylinder. Hit here, so select, go to edit mode, face select, delete this. So boom, delete the face. Then go back to tab, select that, just go S, scale it bigger, like that. obviously this object, then G, just move it like that, so that it doesn't, you'll see this, but what you could do then just click on there, add a modifier and add a solidify, and then just solidify it like that, right click, shade smooth, you made a bit of a cup, and then if I hit play, you can see there it looks like that. So just make sure when you go G, like I said, I didn't do it properly, you need to select the axis, so hit G with your loop cut, G, and then the axis you want to scale it down so it scales it down straight, otherwise it's going to make your object kind of skew. But you can see there it's looking something like that. You could always then add like a water, so you could add a material, so boom, bring the roughness all the way down and the metallic all the way up, and then it gives you something like that. But yeah, that's, you could throw on like a water modifier or like coffee or something that you want, and then you could change this, make this like a blue. You can see it reflects like that. But it's a quick way to create like a fake liquid simulation animation in Blender. I know it was a bit of a quick video. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully this was interesting to you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, check out the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.